Good morning everyone. Now we are going to discuss about validating the forensics data. Now the introduction of forensic validation is processing the verifying and the digital evidence and ensure the data integrity and authenticity and confirm the evidence and not an altered. And also like the main important of the forensic is the legal investigation why because we are going with the legal investigation is let's suppose some person has not not a person who has done these things, so that's why we have going ahead with the legal investigation. Yeah, and then we are going to discuss about importance of validating forensic data. Why? Because the validation of forensic data is plays a crucial role, and this is a essential thing in forensic. Why? Because let's suppose we have done some, we have done anything r- wrong manner in forensic data. It will involve someone who has not going, like who has not involved those things. That's why it plays a crucial role and maintains the integrity and digital evidence, and also prevents the data and increase the uh, and creditability, and also evidence becomes the accepted in court. Now we are going to discuss about methods of forensic data validation. We are using almost four methods. The main method is hash value verification. Hash value is we are using this many places like kind of cyber security sites. It's about key combination like encryption and decryption and cross verification using the multiple tools, and also like maintaining the proper documentation and chain of procedure. And these all are the changes we are facing during the data validation in forensic. And the main thing is large volume data. Like we have a like process the large volume data is difficult. That's why it's a main issue we have faced in forensic validation. And encryption of hidden data, encrypted in the sense we have encrypted this message to secret way. That's why it's encrypted. And improper handling of evidence, we should handle the evidence carefully. That's why it will changes in whole thing. And also tool capability issue. yeah this is the best practices in forensic data. And we should trust the forensic tools and preserve the original evidence. What it will maybe required for a future purpose, and maintain the investigation log for some kind of problem we might be face in future. So we should have maintained the logs properly. And we should apply the multiple validation technique. Why? Because this is the not a normal thing. The forensic is essential for some kind of a code purpose. Coming to the conclusion, validation ensure the reliability of the forensic evidence, and also protect the data integrity during the investigation, and also help to present a trustworthy evidence in court. Why? Because we are not going to include the person who is not involved in these things. So we should use the all validation technique before going to court, and before going to submit the evidence to someone who has asked this. And also people trust the forensic process. So we should handle the data in proper way and preserve the data, and we should maintain the logs. It will be used in future purpose also, and it will be used in some kind of activities also, and it will be used to avoid some conflict. So that's why we are going ahead with this projects, this process. And thank you to everyone.